this is our new bill. You guess the car, which car it is? Okay, let me tell you. So this is 2023 ACURA INTEGRA. We bought this car from the Copart. As you guys know, the Copart has a lot of scams and a lot of deals, but we get it this with a good price. So we'll tell you in the last of the video how much I bought this car. I bought the cheapest ACURA ever, and I was the only person who is bidding on this car. But they still hold this car for reserve for whole day.
The reason behind I say like I was the only person bidding on this car is like, let me show you. This is the car, like it says only 5420 miles, and this is the reason, like it says only engine start program, it doesn't run. And the good thing is that this is from the insurance company, State Farm Insurance. So let me show you the invoice of the car. So this is, we bought it for the price, and let me know in the comment section if you can guess the price of this car. This is 2023 ACURA INTEGRA.
But finally we got this car. Let's take a look around the car. The car was sitting in the Copart yard for months. So let's do a quick wash and then I'll show you the interior of the car. this car except the dash airbag. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one of the rear one seat airbag. Almost 5 airbags. As you can see, the headliner is also damaged because when the airbag blows up, they damage the headliner. So let's see if we can replace it or we can fix it. We'll tell you later. Let's cut out the airbags and then we'll see the next step. Let's see, to try to turn on this thing and see what's the warning lights in there or how many miles in the car or whatever it is. Let's see. No, the battery is dead. Let's try the jump start on it. Try it out. Yes, yes. Look at the warning lights. Check engine light is on. Electric brake parking system. GPS sensor, transmission problem. Blah blah, there's a lot of lights and warnings in there, and look, it's only 5,420 miles on it. Okay, let's try to start this thing, if it starts or not.